Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Shajid Shahriar Sanam. In this slide, I will be talking about the core components of the front-end layer, the key parts that help a website or application deliver content efficiently to users. First, we have DNS, which stands for Domain Name System. It translates a domain name like www.google.com into an IP address that computers can understand. Next, load balancer help by distributing incoming traffic or user requests evenly across multiple servers. This prevents any single server from getting overloaded. Then we have web servers. These are responsible for delivering HTML pages and handling user requests such as loading a web page or submitting a form. Finally, the CDN or Content Delivery Network caches static content like images, CSS, and JavaScript files to closer to the user's location. This improves the loading speed and reduces latency. Together, these components ensure the system provides reliability, speed, and elasticity, meaning it can scale up or down easily depending on the traffic. Now, let's move on to the domain name system or DNS. DNS is the first step in any user connection. When you type a website name, DNS translates that name, for example, example.com, into an IP address so your browser knows where to connect. For larger scale systems, organizations often use third-party hosted DNS for better scalability and reliability. A popular choice is Amazon Route 53, which support two key features. Number one, latency-based routing, which sends users to the nearest server for a faster response. And number two, health checks for failover, which automatically redirects traffic if one server goes down. There are also other DNS providers like DIN, DNS Made Easy, and Cloudflare DNS. Finally, having a reliable DNS ensures that users around the world can quickly connect to the closest data center, improving both speed and user experience. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I will talk about a key part of the front-end layer, load balancer. A load balancer sits between the clients and web servers. Its main job is to distribute incoming traffic evenly across multiple servers so that no single server gets overloaded. This helps keep website fast, reliable, and always available. Load balancer always also follow failover, meaning if one server goes down, the traffic automatically shifts to another. It has lots of advantages such as failover and high availability, seamless maintenance, fast failover recovery, enables auto scaling, access offloading, essential for elasticity and reliability. There are many types of load balancer such as host services, software-based hardware load balancer. In hosted services, AWS, Elastic Load Balancer, Azure Load Balancer, these are easy and integrated. Software-based load balancer, this is self-managed, and named HA these are flexible and free. Hardware load balancer are F5 Critics NetScaler. This is fast but expensive. In short, a load balancer improves performance, prevents downtime, and ensures a smooth experience for users all over the world. Thank you, everyone.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shajida Ismat. Now let's talk about web servers. Web servers handle presentation logic, not business logic. They serve HTML and JavaScript. Now let's go to the next topic, caching. So what is caching? Basically, it is a powerful tool to improve speed and scalability by storing data temporarily to avoid redundant work. There are many types of caching like CDN caching, reverse proxy caching, browser caching, and shared caching. So what is the benefit of caching? We can say that together this layer reduce several load, improve response time, and allow our web servers to handle more users effectively. Now let's go to the next topic, auto scaling. So basically auto scaling automatically adjusts the number of server based on demand, adding them when traffic rises and removing them when it drops to save cost and resources. Now that we have covered how auto scaling helps the web services handle changing traffic, let's examine how these scalable systems are deployed in real-world environments. So here there are two main setups for scalable web services, cloud-based and private data center. Now I will summarize the key points about building a high-performance web front end.
Here, stateless design is the key to high-performance web content. The entry layer must be stateless to enable horizontal scalability, managing all state externally. So we use a DNS and load balancer for global traffic distribution.